Welcome to Are You Hungry 天天. Today we are at 2023 San Francisco Air Show. Feature the Navy Blue Angels. Oh yeah, it's going to be a fantastic, beautiful, fantastic day. I'm flying over the Golden Gate Bridge on Friday, October 6, 2023. Enjoy the Blue Angel. And this is part of the Fleetweek in San Francisco. It started this morning with the ship parade. Start at 11 to 12 noon, the local time. And then we have the air show start around 1, and Blue Angel came around 3. So it's 3 to 4. And if you are in the area, you can come out and check it out. They will still have the air show for tomorrow, Saturday, October 7th, and Sunday, October 8th. And it's fantastic. The location I will have is between the grassy field and the fourth near the bathrooms. There is a little house there, and due to a great weather, it was 88 degrees. It was unusually hot for this time of year in San Francisco. And Saturday is going to be a few degrees lower, so it's much more comfortable. And Sunday will be back down to high 60s. So if you are in the area, come check this out. It's a free show, unless you want to go to the Marina Green, where you have to pay maybe $100. Book in advance, you get the front row seat. And they also have patriotic music playing along in the background. But if you just want to watch the free air show, there is a lot of spots you can go. I'm near the hut between Grassy Field and the Fourth Point, since it has shade here. Or you can go to the Marina Green rather, and you can just sit in the grass field. So you don't really have to, sit down on the front row. Or you can go to the Golden Gate Bridge. You can see it from the top of the Golden Gate. Or you can go Alcatraz, or you can go on the sailboat, or red and blue, red and white, and blue and gold. They do go out to the Golden Gate, so you can take those cruises as well. And it's a fantastic show, and today happened to be blue sky. It's a little hazy sometimes in the background. Tremendous view. Zoom through the Bay Area from Golden Gate to Alcatraz. I will let you enjoy this air show, and I will check back with you toward the end. you enjoyed today's Blue Angel. Check out my next video, which will be on this morning's ship parade. And ship parade is only happened on Friday, only one day. However, you can tour the ship tomorrow from 10 to 4. Go to Pier 32, 33, or Pier 35, and you can tour those naval ships. And here is the Blue Angel flying high. Please subscribe and click likes, and I welcome your comments. I will see you at the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.